Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox does not support admin installation. Please rerun error in Windows 11 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, right click on Roblox, click on properties. Select here compatibility. In this you can see here run this program as an administrator. If you select this option, check this option, you should uncheck this option, then click on apply, click on OK. After that, check your problem solved or not. If not, go to the control panel. Select here program, select here program and features, search here Roblox, uninstall Roblox, right click on Roblox, click on uninstall. After uninstall, download and reinstall your Roblox, open your Google Chrome, search here Roblox download, click on first one, then click on download now. After loading, hope your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.